Civil danger warning. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Atlantic County Department of Corrections. This is a civil danger warning for the following counties in New Jersey: Atlantic, Burlington, Cape May, and Cumberland. And for the following highway locations: Atlantic City Expressway between exit 28 and exit 1. And Garden State Parkway between exit 50 and exit 0. At 10:22 p.m., the transfer of 2 inmates, originating from the Atlantic County Division of Adult Detention, was interrupted due to a motor vehicle collision, resulting in the transfer van to become overturned. The 2 inmates that were en route to Riverside Correctional Facility in Philadelphia had managed to escape. The location of the incident was on the Black Horse Pike in Atlantic County, at the intersection of Route 322 and Harding Highway. This location is approximately 1 mile from Atlantic City Expressway exit 14. The description of the first inmate is as follows. Harold Abernathy, a 23-year-old Caucasian male, 5 feet 9 inches tall, weighing 210 pounds. He has brown hair, blue eyes, and has a tattoo of a thunderbolt on his right shoulder. He was last seen wearing an orange prison jumpsuit, with the number 374552 on the chest, white sneakers, and was handcuffed from behind at the time of escape. The description of the second inmate is as follows. Sean Darwin, a 19-year-old Caucasian male, 6 feet 0 inches tall, weighing 235 pounds. He has blonde hair, hazel eyes, and a horizontal scar on his left upper eyelid. He was last seen wearing an orange prison jumpsuit, with the number 526209 on the chest, white sneakers, and was handcuffed from behind at the time of escape. All residents receiving this broadcast should take the following actions. Stay inside of your residence or place of business at this time. Lock all doors and windows. If you encounter either of these individuals, do not attempt to approach them, apprehend them, or make efforts to communicate with them. Instead, dial 911 immediately. It is unknown at this time if the collision was accidental or intentional in nature. Both of the escaped inmates were recently sentenced to a life sentence at Riverside Correctional Facility with no opportunity for parole. Because of this, they are both considered to be armed and extremely dangerous. All roads within a 5-mile radius of the intersection of Route 322 and Harding Highway have been closed, and this area should be avoided by vehicle or foot traffic. Due to the proximity of the collision to a major highway, this is a reminder that New Jersey's state law prohibits the picking up or dropping off of hitchhikers for any reason. Any individuals found transporting or assisting these inmates will be arrested and tried as a potential accomplice. Repeating, the Atlantic County Department of Corrections has issued a civil danger warning for the following counties in New Jersey: Atlantic, Burlington, Cape May, and Cumberland, and along the Atlantic City Expressway and Garden State Parkway in all directions. Stay inside your residence or place of business at this time. Lock all doors and windows. Do not pick up any hitchhikers. Avoid travel near the intersection of Route 322 and Harding Highway. If you encounter either of these inmates, do not approach or make attempts to communicate. Instead, dial 911 immediately. Stay tuned to commercial television or radio transmissions, no weather radio, all hazards, or internet sources for the latest developments.